everyone! This is Sonia Holden. Mabuhay tayong lahat mga kaibigan. Eto na po ngayon, Christmas Eve. So guys, it's already 4:35 p.m. here in Norway, and sa Pilipinas is morning na yata, or it's not midnight. Yeah, it's around like that. So, Merry Christmas everyone! This is Sonia Holden. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Ito po ang aming munting tahanan. Yan siya guys. Yan. Ang aming munting bahay. So guys, that is our family pictures. And mabuhay tayong lahat. This is my arrangement for Christmas Eve. Ito siya guys, ginawa ko lang yan. Yan. So guys, ano po ang handa natin this Christmas? Ang handa namin is natural Norwegian foods. So guys, meron kaming spare ribs and a lamb. It's a traditional Norwegian food guys. So, Merry Christmas sa lahat mga kaibigan! Nasaan ang buso? Yan ang bunso pasilip-silip, kunwari. Kamit na. And sumilip na naman. Nisa luwa na da. Na bror?
Hvor?
Bror, ikke bruker nisa luwahan da. Vil du ha andra?
Ja.
Ja, ja. Så Merry Christmas først da.
Merry Christmas, motherfucker!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Almost fun is to rhyme. Kami po ay mga ngaroling. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Guys, thank you so much for watching our channel. Sonia Holtens po, mga kaibigan. The Holtens Family Vlog is always here for you guys, making some videos, and I hope you will support us. So bye bye everyone, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna go and find the Nisa Lue of Martin. Bye bye, Merry Christmas again.